Hello, my name is Ben. I'm back with BetterTrader.co to provide you another video with how to customize your charts on the BetterTrader interface. BetterTrader.co provides on its interface simple yet interactive charts by TradingView.com. You can customize many things like the interval between these candlesticks, whether you want lines, whether you want candles, bars. You can make a lot of adjustments based on your preferences. Now, how do you customize what charts you see on this interface altogether? First of all, you should go to the top left corner and click on the new feature charts. So now you will see top left, top right, bottom left, and bottom right charts, and these are customizable, of course. So how do you know what to write within these charts? So you want to press on any of the charts as names, press the plus button, and you will see all the possible things we offer on the platform. And let's see, you want to see cryptocurrency, Bitcoin versus the dollar. You want that on your top left chart. It's BTC USD. It's right here, BTC USD. Let's see for the top right, you want a Forex, Europe versus the dollar, the euro versus the dollar. Okay, let's say here you want the S&P 500, and here you want something else. Let's do a stock, Apple. Okay, once you save these settings and you refresh the page, all of your charts will be updated to your new preferences. This is fantastic. You can also customize your time zone. So if you look at the times here on the bottom of these charts, you want to make sure these are the same as your current time zone and where you're trading from. So UTC is the time that we have as default, and you can choose all of these different cities in the world where you're trading from and potentially get your time zone correct. And this is how you customize our charts and time zone on the BetterTrader interface. Okay, and that's how you can customize charts and time zones on our interface. I highly recommend you to explore on our interface as there are many functions that can help a trader become better. Now, good luck and happy trading.